GRT is one of the few AI coins that I believe is going to give us more than a 10x in this bull market. And at the time of this recording, we continue to see higher prices, where you can see that we have now managed to break above our key area of resistance above the 0.27, flipping it back into support. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and on today's update video, I will be discussing my next breakout target areas and also the most significant key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out Bybit, which is my go-to exchange. And you can see that on sign up, you can now claim up to $50 in sign up bonuses and earn up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses, and I will be leaving a link down in the description box. Starting the video here on the 4-hour chart by first discussing this Elliot structure right here in blue, which has been playing out from the lows that we made on the 4th of November. You can all see that we first peaked to the upside in the formation of these impulsive Elliot count 1. Then we saw corrective structure in the formation of these wave 2 into the minimum pullback target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, an area that gave us a reaction to the upside, giving us the high for this impulsive Elliott wave count 3. Then we saw corrective structure in the formation of these wave 4, and whatever is playing out at the moment, I believe is an impulse to the upside in the formation of these Elliott wave count 5. Whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is above the 0.3204, an area that I'm expecting that GRT is going to fully maximize in the next coming hours, as long as you continue holding above significant key areas of support and also continue seeing that bullish momentum. That is a target area that we can easily maximize in the next coming hours. And I believe that the moment we have a high in the formation of these wave 5, that will be completing a 5-wave structure and also completing the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 1. And then from that point, I will be expecting a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2. So any moment from now, I'm expecting that GRT is going to give us a high in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1, then start a corrective structure in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 2. So in case we don't see one more new high in the formation of these wave 5, and start a corrective structure, then that could be suggesting that we have started that corrective structure in the formation of these wave 2. And once we have confirmations, I will be able to give you the minimum pullback target areas for these Elliott wave count 2. Jumping to the daily chart, I still maintain that we got our bear market lows last year and started an impulsive movement to the upside in a move that peaked above the 0.4947, giving us the high for that impulsive Elliott wave count 1. And after we got that high, we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked here on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place for the second wave. And in the next coming days, we are going to continue seeing higher prices in the start of an impulse to the upside in the formation of that Elliott wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And that gives me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.7813, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming days. Then expect a pullback in the formation of these wave 4, and then a wave 5 taking us back above the dollar mark. So that is all I'm expecting here on the GRT chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.